What's up everybody, it's me. Welcome back or welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm showing you this electric blue look or whatever you even want to call it. I don't know. I think it's super bomb. It's dramatic, it's extra, it's all of the above. If you want to see how this whole look came together, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I already did this eye, of course, as you can see, and I never really do my tutorials like that. I never go ahead and do like one eye off camera, but I thought I'd switch it up a little bit, so I always leave the comments open-ended for you guys. I mean, like, I'm always asking you guys to leave comments, so I mean, if you're liking this kind of like routine for videos, then totally let me know. There's like glitter all over my face. It's fine because there's just gonna be like more from this side, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started with the base. So for my base today, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shape Tape by Tarte, of course. I feel like it always seems that I'm talking on it, but I'm not. Like, Tarte, Shape Tape, that's, you know what I mean? Like, Shape Tape, Shape Tape. We have a love-hate relationship, I think, but we're gonna prime my eye with it anyhow. I should probably zoom you a little bit. Here I am. I gotta go ahead and do a little bit of eyebrow gel right now. My eyebrows are tweaking, like, I guess I didn't do this earlier, I forgot. My eyebrows are like really long. And I got it in my hair. And I have glitter on my forehead. I'm going into my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. We're gonna go ahead in and use the shade Cocoa Truffle. Just like goes with everything. It's a perfect matte and they're all very blendable, so I just tend to go to this palette all the time. And I'm gonna take this out pretty far. Totally don't mind how far I'm dragging this out right now. I am going to eventually cut it with a makeup wipe. Switching up palettes. So I didn't stay in the same palette for this look at all. Sorry, but just kind of like use what you have. Heading into another different palette, I'm gonna use my Secret Sinner and I'm gonna go in with Dreamy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this shade in the top of my crease. And that's just to lighten it up, give it like a nice orangey hue. Back to the Too Faced palette, we're gonna use the shade Decadent, just a matte black. This is another super blendable matte that I just like love. Okay, I'm bringing you guys in a little bit closer. That looks good, maybe. I don't know. I just want you to be able to see. I feel like I keep catching myself squinting. This light, my ring light, is just so bright. It's so early right now. I've been up all night long, and then I was like, I'm just gonna wait until the sun's about to come up and record a video. So you might be thinking, wow, that is a very glam look to do at 7:32 in the morning, but it's never too early. It's never too early for a glam look. Now the next thing I went ahead and did on my eye was use my NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick, and this is in the shade Industrial Paradise. This is such a bomb shade. It looks so pretty on the lips. Like, my mom looks so good, and she looks good in every color, but I mean, like, blues and purples and pinks. Like, purples and blues are like, well, no, not really purples and blues. I would say purples are just like her favorite thing ever, and she looks so bomb in this color. And just gonna go back in with a little bit of that Cocoa Truffle again, and just go back over that. But the blend really doesn't matter. The whole reason for the blue is to pretty much create a nice cool toned base. We're gonna go ahead in with this shade, and it's called El Rey. As you could tell, I'm doing a lot more patting than rubbing. NYX Glitter Primer. I'm leaving the lid off of that for the sole reason that I'm probably gonna need more. I always need more glitter glue than I think. First, taking this awesome royal blue glitter that I got off Amazon. If you guys are interested, I will link it in the description box below. Another glitter from the set I got from Amazon, just a royal purplish blue to sort of back up, you know, the thicker glitter. There's really no order that I go in. I like to just have them both open so that I can dip into both of them. I'm gonna first start with the thicker glitter though, just because. That way it can pat down to the glue a little bit more, and I'll have a background of the thick ones. And then we'll just like work up to the foreground, of course. This is like a, I don't know, it could be a festive look. It's just totally up to you where you want to wear it, how you want to wear it. Pulling out the dusty old nighttime soothing cleansing wipes, makeup remover towelettes. When I pulled it out, yo, the bag has a hole in it. We gotta like cut this like this one. I'm using a eyeliner. This is the Betty Boop Ipsy collection. Now I'm just taking a little bit of eyeliner over top of my lashes. I'm letting this eyelash dry as we speak, and my eyeliner as well. So I might have to go back to this eye, but for now I just gotta like let it chill. I haven't gotten a chance to take care of my skin yet today. So first thing, out of everything for my face, I didn't do anything at all yet today. I put coconut oil on last night. That was it. So we're gonna use my e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This seems like a lot, but my skin is so dry, especially right now, like season change, everything, like, I don't know. It doesn't even matter what time of year it is, my skin is just so dry. And now to prime my face, we're gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. One more thing I probably should have done before my face primer is a little bit of my Belief the True Cream. I like to put a little bit of this underneath my eyes. Foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Born This Way by Too Faced. This is obviously super light, so I'm basically concealing with it. The next thing I'm gonna use is my Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Foundation Stick. This isn't necessarily my contour. This is more so me blending this into my foundation to get a better color. It might look dark, but honestly it blends so nice. And my battery's dead. Great. That blended so well. I haven't got such a good contour like this in a long time. I think it's time to move my ring light over there. Considering the sun's coming up finally. What time even is it? It is 8:30 in the morning. We better take some of that orange that I took earlier and just take it right underneath my eye. This is like super orange right now. We'll take that blue from the Mar palette. Let's go ahead and bronze with my L'Oreal Lumi bronzer. Now to highlight with my Kiss of the Sun highlighter. I really thought the pinkness in this highlighter would brighten up the look a little bit. Let's go ahead and set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Since my face is a little bit damp right now, we're gonna go ahead in with Drippin' Diamonds. For my lips, Smashbox all the way. This is my liquid matte and this is in the shade Babe Alert. Oh girl. This is the Morphe Boho Lip Gloss. Alright, and we have reached the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me do my makeup today. If you did, feel free to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, just thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.